Hi everybody, it's that time of year again. Beautylish lucky bag time. I got the $75 box, which is called the regular lucky bag. There's also one that's $150, but I didn't get that one. And most of the time you'll get twice your value's worth, or more, usually more. They go on sale once a year, the day after Christmas. And we spend half of January, well, I do anyway, spend half of January waiting for it and excitedly waiting for it. Oh, the seal is already broken. And each box always has some beautifully designed paper wrapping your items with a lovely saying for the new year. I'll type the saying up in the description in case you haven't heard it already. But if you're like me and you watch a lot of these, you've heard that saying already. So I'm just so anxious to get to what's in here. I don't want to waste any more time. Okay, so we got this. I'm trying not to look at it because I'd like to be surprised right along with you. So I'm not going to look. I'm just going to try to get it open. I'll just try to open it and get the items out without looking. Hopefully I won't drop anything. Okay, let's see. Plastic. And it's like a bag so I can reach down in here. Alright, let's see. First thing is Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. Says apply on cleansed skin, allow to fully absorb before applying additional serums, facial oils, or moisturizer, suitable for daily use, AM and PM. Here's the serum. Interesting texture. Slight kind of lemony smell. Not bad. All right. And the next thing I can feel is a brush. Oh, it's a beautiful Sonia G brush. I got one in my last lucky bag too, and I love it. It's one of the best brushes I own. I didn't used to think there was much difference in brushes, but until I tried a really nice one, now I know there really is a big difference. They apply your makeup so much better. They feel nice in your hand when you're using them. This one is the Blender Pro from Japan. So that's very nice. From everything that I saw in other people's videos, I figure I would either be a little happy or a lot happy. I didn't really see anything that would make me, feel like the bag isn't worth it or make me unhappy with it or anything. So I expect to be very happy and to feel lucky. Okay, the next thing is the Nessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Highlighting Facial Balm. And this is in the shade Hot Water. Let's see what this looks like. It says a lightweight, smooth, and silky translucent highlighting and hydrating balm for an instant glass skin fresh glow. Apply using your fingers, brush, or sponge for desired effect. Okay. Ooh. This is pretty. There it is. It does look like glass or liquid. It looks wet. Okay. It's soft and smooth. I think this would make a nice lip balm even. Yeah, I might try it for that. Okay, I'm trying hard not to look at this bag. Okay, what else? Lipstick? Yes. From Uoma Beauty, Black Magic Carnival. And this is in the shade Bahia. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. The case is a beautiful bright red. Wow. That is gorgeous. It has these iridescent sparkles all over it. There's the color. It's beautiful. Okay, I will enjoy using this. And then next we got wait a minute now. Oh, no. It's from Wayne Goss Luxury Palette. Wow. I've wanted to try his eyeshadow before, but, you know, it's out of my price range. This one is called Pearl Moonstone. There's the case. It's so pretty. It has a mirror. These are the beautiful colors. Wow. I have to swatch some of these. So, let's see. I'll do the bottom ones first. This is a beautiful cool tone palette with blues and grays. Very nice. Let me do the top row. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Okay, Wayne. And then one last thing, is a face roller. This is for your tired, stressed skin from Kitchen. I have a smaller one of these, but I don't have one this size. So this is cool. It says crystal face roller. So is this made of crystal? Yeah. It says genuine, semi-precious crystal face roller. Oh, that's nice. So for my 2021 Beautylish Lucky Bag, I got the facial roller. The Wayne Goss Luxury Eye Palette, Pearl Moonstone. Vanessa Myricks Highlighting Facial Balm in the shade Hot Water. Uoma Beauty Black Magic Carnival Lipstick in Bahia. It's a beautiful pink shade. It's very, very pretty. The Sonia G Eyeshadow Brush. And the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. So do I feel lucky? Yes, I do. I'll enjoy everything in here. Did you get a lucky bag this year? If you did, let me know what you got. And if you're happy about it. So until next year, thanks for watching. Bye.